First, I tribute to our inspiration, late Babu Miyan Sirajuddin Patel, alias Bhau Sahab, B.S. Patel Sir, Guruji. Welcome to the Department of Chemistry, Babu Miyan Sirajuddin Patel, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pimpadgaon Kade, Taluka Jalgaon Jamut, District Buldhana, Maharashtra. Myself, Dr. Noor Mohammad, Assistant Professor, Head Department of Chemistry, Babu Miyan Sirajuddin Patel, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pimpadgaon Kade, Taluka Jalgaon Jammu district Buldhana. As per the prescribed syllabus of SGB Amravati University Amravati for BSc first year semester 1, we have unit number 1 which is divided into two parts, part A periodic properties and part B ionic properties. Now periodic properties, brief history of the periodic table, classification of elements. Classification elements हम किसको बोलते हैं? Means the elements को डिफरेंट ग्रुप में उनकी सिमिलरिटीज की बेसिस पर जो अरेंजमेंट किया गया है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए क्लासिफिकेशन एलिमेंट. द अरेंजिंग ऑफ एलिमेंट इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द सिमिलरिटीज इन देयर प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. क्लासिफाइंग एलिमेंट इनटू टू ग्रुप्स, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स. अभी क्या अर्लियर क्लासिफिकेशन कैसा हुआ कि सबसे पहले क्या किया इन लोगों ने कि ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स को उनके ग्रुप्स के हिसाब से डिवाइड किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द ग्रुप लाइक मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल, बट देयर इज नो प्लेस फॉर मेटालॉइड्स. इसके बाद में क्या हुआ? डोमिनेट राइट्स आए. डोमिनेट राइट्स ने क्या बोला कि मिडल एलिमेंट्स जो है वो उसका जो एटॉमिक मास है वो अप्रोक्सीमेट इक्वल टू द एवरेज एटॉमिक मासेस ऑफ द अदर टू एलिमेंट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल हियर. सोडियम की एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. सोडियम का एटॉमिक मास नंबर कितना है? 23 है. बट लिथियम एंड पोटेशियम ये दोनों का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 6.9 एंड 39.0 है. अगर इन दोनों का मीन एवरेज मीन अगर हमने निकाले, इनका एवरेज निकाले तो 22.95 आता है. मीन्स मिडल का क्या हो गया? मिडल एलिमेंट्स का जो एटॉमिक नंबर अप्रोक्सीमेट किसके इक्वल है? लिथियम और पोटेशियम के इक्वल है. बट दिस इज ऑल्सो भी डिफेक्ट इन द क्लासिफिकेशन एंड the elements could not be correctly arranged into triads. Next, Newland's octaves. Newland octaves जो है ये जो है इनका जो element increasing order of their atomic masses into group of 8 elements called octaves, like a notes of music, like sa re ga ma pa dha ni. The first element is equal to the property is similar properties of the 8th element, but this is a very defective. This is also defect in the classification. Some elements having the different properties were placed in the same rows, like cobalt and nickel having different properties are placed along with fluorine, chlorine and bromine. Mendeleev's periodic law. इसके बाद मेंडेलीव ने क्या बोला? The properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. इसके क्या डिफरेंस रहे हैं? Some elements are not arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Potassium of hydrogen is not clear. The position of isotopes of elements is not clear. Next, today's periodic table. Today's periodic table is known as the modern periodic table. The properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. The 7 horizontal, it have 7 horizontal rows. इसमें क्या है? 7 horizontal rows है of elements. उसको हमको क्या बोलते हैं? Periods बोलते हैं. और 18 vertical lines है, vertical rows है of elements हैं. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Groups बोलते हैं. तो पहला पीरियड जो है उसमें 2 एलिमेंट्स हैं, हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम. दूसरे पीरियड के अंदर 8 एलिमेंट्स हैं, लिथियम से नियॉन तक. तीसरे पीरियड के अंदर 8 एलिमेंट है, सोडियम से आर्गॉन तक. चौथे पीरियड में 18 एलिमेंट्स है, पोटेशियम टू क्रिप्टॉन तक. फिफ्थ एलिमेंट्स पीरियड में 18 एलिमेंट्स है, रूबिडियम टू जीनॉन तक. 6 पीरियड के अंदर 32 एलिमेंट है, सीशियम टू रेडियम तक. 7 पीरियड में 28 एलिमेंट है, फ्रॉम फ्रांशियम टू 118 तक एटॉमिक नंबर तक. दिस इज कॉल्ड इनकम्प्लीट पीरियड्स. 14 एलिमेंट्स, each of the 6th and 7th periods are period, but 6 और 7 periods को कहाँ रखा गया है? बॉटम ऑफ द periodic table, separately from the periodic table. These are called lanthanides and actinides. Groups. There are 18 groups of elements divided into 9 main groups: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8 and 0 group. The group first to 7 has two subgroup like A subgroup and B subgroup. Group 8 has 3 rows of elements and 0 group has 1 row of elements. The A subgroup elements called as a normal elements. The B subgroup elements are called as transition elements. Lanthanide and actinides are called inner transitions elements. The group 1 first elements is called alkali metal. Group B second elements are called alkaline earth metal. Group 17 seventh A group are called halogens. Group 18 0 group are called noble gases. In a group all the elements have the same number of valence electron. Group 1 elements have 1 valence electron. Group 2 elements have 2 valence electron. Group 3 elements have valence 3 electrons, and etc. In a periods, all the elements contain the same number of shells. The sp, d and f are block elements. S block elements means the last electron enters in S subshell is called S block elements. Group first A and 2A, the elements having hydrogen and helium in this block, valence electron occupy only S orbital. First A elements have partially filled S orbital ending in S1. Or group, but in case of the group 2A, the elements having a completely filled S orbital and ending the configuration S2. P block element comprised of the groups 3A through 8A contains elements with filled or partially filled p orbitals. The p block spans 6 groups. The 3 p orbitals can hold 2 electrons each. Together the S and the p block comprise the representative or group A elements. The group 8A or noble gas elements are unique members of the p block because of their incredible stability. Noble gas atoms are so stable that they undergo virtually no chemical reaction. The reason for their stability lies in their electron configuration. Both S and p orbitals are completely filled. D block elements. D block elements are characterized by a filled outermost S orbital of the energy level n and a filled of partially filled d orbital of energy level n-1 d block. F block elements are characterized by a filled or partially filled outermost s orbital and partially filled 4f and 5f orbitals. Properties of element in a periods and groups. Now there is a 4 properties. Number 1, atomic or ionic radius. Number 2, ionization potential. Number 3, electron affinity. Number 4, electron negativity. Let's see the one by one. Atomic size. In a period, the atomic size of the element decreases from left to right because the nuclear charge increases and so the electrons are pulled closer to the nucleus. In a group, the atomic size of the element increases from top to bottom, the number of shell increases and the distance between the nucleus and shells also increases. Next property, atomic radius. Atomic radius is defined as 1/2 of the average distance between the two covalently bonded atoms. Yeah, let's see in extreme right here two atoms are there और उनके जो सेंटर्स से both the centers the covalent bonded और उनके difference between the distance between this gap is nothing but 1.99 angstrom and this is known as a atomic radius. Now what is the trends in periods and groups? Let's see one by one. In a period, decrease across a period. What is the reason behind that? Proton number increases. What is the cause of the decrease across the period? Number one, proton number increases. Effective nuclear charges increases. Those atomic radius decreases. For example, second period. This is a lithium, barium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. See the atomic number goes on decrease 123, 19, 82, 77, 75, 73, 72 and in neon, in case of exception case, 11, 11, 12. Both sodium and chlorine are at the period 3, but because of sodium is at the left side of the table, sodium is larger than chlorine. Group. While going to the down in a group from top to bottom, there is a increase down a group. Okay, atomic radii goes on increasing across the group. What is the reason behind that? एनर्जी लेवल क्या होती है इसकी हमेशा बढ़ती जाती है, इंक्रीजेस. शील्डिंग इफेक्ट बढ़ता है. वीकर अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन न्यूक्लियस एंड वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, thus atomic radius increases. Stronger attraction between nucleus and valence electron. Let's see the example in table now. In table, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Here 90, 136, 174, 191 and 198 means the increase in across the group. Now ionization potential. Ionization potential, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन में से एटॉम वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करने के लिए जो एनर्जी लगती है, दैट एनर्जी इज नोन एज आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी. लेट्स सी, आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी इज एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रिमूव द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम एन एटॉमिक स्पीसीज इज नोन एज आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी. इंक्रीज अक्रॉस द पीरियड. व्हाट आर ट्रेंड्स ऑफ दैट? इंक्रीज अक्रॉस द पीरियड. पीरियड में क्या होता है? इंक्रीज होता है. व्हाई? What's the reason? Proton number increases, effective nuclear charge increases, strong attraction between nucleus and valence electron, atomic radius decreases, more difficult to remove valence electron. Thus, ionization energy always increases. Decrease down a group, energy level increases, shielding effect increases, weaker attraction between nucleus and valence electron, atomic radius increases, easier to remove valence electron, thus ionization energy decreases. Number one, atomic size. The valence electron of an atom with a larger size having less attraction to the nucleus, hence the atom have lower ionization energy. Shielding effect. The electrons of the valence shells are attached to the nucleus, and also these electrons are repelled by the electron present in the inner shells. On account of this, the actual force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron is somewhat decreased by the repulsive forces acting in the opposite direction. This decrease in the force of attraction exerted by the nucleus on the valence electron due to the presence of electron in the inner shell is called screening effect or shielding effect. The shielding effect is inner electrons causes the valence electron to the less strongly attracted in the nucleus and thus result in lower ionization energy. Effective nuclear charge. Atom with higher effective nuclear charge hold its electron closer to the nucleus than the atom of lower effective nuclear charge. Hence, ionization energy increases as the effective nuclear charge becomes larger. Increase in atomic number. Next one, electronegativity. Electronegativity. Electronegativity is a measure of atoms attraction from another atom's electron. Increase across the period. What's the reason behind that? Proton number increases, effective nuclear charge increases, stronger attraction between nucleus and valence electron, atomic radius decreases, greater ability to attract the bonding electrons to itself. thus electronegativity increases. Decrease down a group, energy level increases, shielding effect increases, weaker attraction between nucleus and valence electron, atomic radius increases, weaker ability to attract the bonding electrons to itself, thus the electronegativity decreases. Next, what is some scales are there. यहाँ पर कुछ स्केल्स आपको दी हुई है, इनकी मदद से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अपनी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी मेजर कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल पॉलिंग स्केल्स है, उसके बाद में मुलिंकन स्केल्स है. मुलिंकन इफेक्ट टू कैलकुलेट इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, जेड इफेक्टिव इज इक्वल टू जेड माइनस अल्फा. व्हाट इज द जेड एटॉमिक मास नंबर and here alpha is the charges of it. Let's see next one, electronegativity, electron affinity. Electron affinity is the energy charge. Electron affinity is the energy change when an electron is added to an atom. अगर किसी एटम के अंदर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन आप ऐड कर रहे हो तो उसकी जो एनर्जी चेंज होगी, दैट एनर्जी इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी. Let's see what's the trains of it. As we go down the column, the electron affinity becomes less negative since the atomic radius increases. Going down the periodic table, the new electrons experience less of an attractive force. One exception of this rule, fluorine electron affinity is lower than chlorine's. Since the volume of the fluorine atom is much smaller, the strength of electronegative electrons repulsion is stronger. Coulomb's law shows that like charges that are in close approximately of each other will repel to the greater degree. Ionic bonding. This another one is nothing but there's a part B, ionic bonding. Ionic compounds are held together by the attraction of oppositely charged cations and anions. We know very well. हमको पता है कि ionic bond कब होता है, bonding कब होती है, जब opposite charges means cations or anions come closer and attraction there, and when the electrons are transferred from one atom to the another is called ionic bonding. और उस दौरान में क्या होता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है from one form to the another is known as ionic bonding. Whether the new bond is formed, energy is released. Stronger the bond, more energy that is released. अगर न्यू बॉन्ड अगर फॉर्म होता है तो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, अगर बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा तो मोर एनर्जी इज रिलीज. फॉर आयनिक बॉन्ड द एनर्जी इज नोन एज लैटिस एनर्जी. द आयनिक बॉन्ड्स, this energy is also known as a lattice energy. Higher lattice energy values correspond to the stronger bonds. The amount of energy released when a bond forms is identical to the amount of energy required to break the bond. Let's see, the important one is Born-Haber cycle. A series of hypothetical steps and their enthalpy changes needed to convert elements to an ionic compound and device to calculate the lattice energy by using Hess law as a means to calculate the formation of ionic bond. Simply ये कि बॉर्न-हाइबर साइकिल क्या बोलता है कि एंथैल्पी, इसको क्या करना है हमको, अगर कोई एलिमेंट्स अपने पास है, एलिमेंट का कन्वर्शन काय में करना है, मेरे को आयोनिक कंपाउंड में करना है. तो आयोनिक कंपाउंड करने जो एनर्जी आप कैलकुलेट करोगे बाय यूजिंग हेस लॉ, इट इज नोन एज ए लैटिस एनर्जी. और वो कैलकुलेशन लैटिस एनर्जी का होगा और दैट इज नोन एज नथिंग बट this cycle is known as Born-Haber. Let's see determination of lattice energy. Calculation of lattice energy by NaCl solid using the following methods. Formation of NaCl minus 41.4.2 kilojoule mole inverse. तो इसका क्या, सोडियम सॉलिड प्लस हाफ Cl2 गैस, NaCl सॉलिड, सब्लिमेशन ऑफ सोडियम, सोडियम को सब्लिमेशन करते हैं, इज इक्वल टू प्लस 1048.7 सोडियम सॉलिड टू सोडियम गैस. सब्लिमेशन मीन्स सॉलिड टू कन्वर्शन ऑफ द गैस हियर. तो सोडियम सॉलिड से सोडियम गैस में अगर हमने कन्वर्ट किया तो प्लस 108.7 लगेगा. अगर डिसोसिएशन ऑफ क्लोरीन करा, क्लोरीन के यहाँ 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स है गैसेस के, और इसको अगर सिंगल गैस में किया तो प्लस 112.95 किलो जूल मोल इनवर्स होगा यहाँ पर। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोडियम आयन, अगर सोडियम आयन अगर हमको आयनिक फॉर्म में फॉर्म करना है तो सोडियम गैस प्लस इज इक्वल टू सोडियम प्लस गैस प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन आयन माइनस क्लोरीन गैस प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नथिंग बट ए chlorine negative, and now the formation of ions minus 351 minus 3.1 kilojoule mole inverse. Formation of ionic crystal, sodium plus Cl negative solid. तो सोडियम plus gas plus chlorine negative Cl negative gas is equal to Na positive Cl negative. What is the lattice energy? According to Hess law, the energy change in method 1 must be equal to the total energy changes of the all steps in method 2. Putting the values, let's see the values. What is the values? Minus 414.2 is equal to plus 108.7 plus half 225.9 plus 489.5 minus 351.4 plus UNaCl. Okay, let's see this is called as a this is nothing but a enthalpy of atomizations plus electron affinity plus ionization is equal to enthalpy of formation and lattice energy. Likewise, this is a direct formation of sodium NaCl is nothing but a minus 414.2, and here formation of sodium ion is nothing but is equal to plus 489.5. Sodium gas to sodium Na positive gas, and sodium sublimation and dissociation of chlorine, and next one the formation of Na positive Cl negative solid. Solvation, next one, solvation of ion and solvation energy. When a substance is introduced in a solvent, is called solvation, and the energy change associated with this process is called as solvation energy. मीन्स अगर कोई सब्सटेंस हम सॉल्वेंट के अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो उसकी जो एनर्जी चेंज होगी, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज ए सॉल्वेशन एनर्जी. ओके, फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग surface area, agitation stirring at temperature. Now, increased surface area, increased rate of dissolving. Increased stirring, increased rate of dissolving. Increased temperature, increased rate of dissolving. My special thanks to, I acknowledge my gratitude to my special thanks to our patron, our inspiration advocate Salim Patel Sahab, President Satpura Shikshan व Gramin Vikas Sanstha Palshi Vaid for their constant encouragement for making such